PS is informed that 10:10 that there's an
Yes.
unnatural death.
Yes.
Notwithstanding all this, the securing of the crime scene and the seizure and everything takes place at 11 o'clock, 11:30 in the night.
When you are taking the dead body
Yes.
for the purpose of performing post-mortem,
Yes.
is it a case of unnatural death or not? If it is not a case of unnatural death, why do you have to perform the post-mortem? Post-mortem starts at 18:10 hours.
Yes.
It comes to an end at 19:10 hours.
Yes.
What was the idea in registering UD at 23:30 hours?
That's the FIR, Mother. That's not the UD.
No, sir. No, sir. Who is this assistant superintendent non-medical? Who is this person? Is this assistant superintendent a male or a female?
I believe it's a female, but I just make sure. Female.
Her conduct is also very, very doubtful. Why did she act in this manner?
The complaint was made in 23. That's what he said. No, this is given to the director yesterday, but he mentions that the complaint which is mentioned there, the allegations were made by him. Can we see annexure B? He made these allegations in 2023 in writing, addressed to many people, many officials.
Yeah.
So, Sibyl, there's one aspect which is extremely disturbing. GD entry in regard to the unnatural death is recorded at 10:10 in the morning,
That's correct.
right? So
Right.
at 10:10, the police station, in this case, the
Tala police station.
Tala PS is informed that 10:10 that there's an
Yes.
unnatural death.
Yes.
Notwithstanding all this, the securing of the crime scene and the seizure and everything takes place at 11 o'clock, 11:30 in the night.
No. Mother, that's why I've got timelines. Mother, this is a bit
No, but-
unfortunate. I'll just give you the timeline. Exactly,
What were
Mother.
you doing up to
But
then?
kindly, I've given minute by minute what happened, Mullahs. We have a timeline prepared for your lordships, Mullahs. And it's backed by videography. It's not, Mullah, something that we are saying.
Can I be shared with the timeline?
Yes, we'll share it. I wish you had asked, shared what you passed on to the
We
court.
don't have to
But
ask,
doesn't
you have to
matter.
give it
But
to
doesn't
CBI.
matter. Doesn't
We
matter.
were on
I
the
don't have
ground.
to
so
request.
Take, my lords. Could we
You
be
are
given
bound to
timeline?
give
You should have
everything
given
to
it
the
yourself.
CBI. You have not given.
As per the autopsy report,
Yes.
the autopsy was conducted in the evening hours of 9,
No. On 9th.
on 9,
On 9th.
9th August.
Yes.
Now, the GD entry
Yes.
of unnatural death case was recorded on 23:30 hours on 9th. That is 11:30.
No,
Now,
that's for the FIR. UD case was in the morning, Mullah.
But then
1:47
as
PM.
per the report submitted to us.
No, that's why I have the timeline, Mullah. It's better, your lordship. I'll
Just
give it to my
listen
lord.
this.
23 is the FIR.
One second, allow me.
That is right.
The scene of crime, including inquest, seizures, and autopsy, were carried out mentioning the GD entry number 542 dated 9/8/2024. Now, this GD entry was made
And 861.
and it's case number 861.
Mullah, may I, with your lordship's permission, Mullah, allow me to place the timeline before your lordship, given minute by minute as to what happened. And Mullah, if there is, kindly hold on, just give it to my lord, please.
Mr. Sibyl,
Yeah.
just tell us from your record, at what time the postmortem was performed?
Yes, I tell your lordship.
From your record?
Yes.
That is, for the time being
6:10 to 7:10 PM.
in the evening,
Yes,
correct?
correct.
When you are taking the dead body
Yes,
for the purpose of performing postmortem,
yes.
is it a case of unnatural death or not? If it is not a case of unnatural death, why do you have to perform the postmortem? This
It is a case.
Just, so that
Sorry.
you can respond to it.
Sorry.
There are so many questions.
Yes,
which are
I'm, of
coming in
course.
our mind.
Right.
And we have the best of the assistants.
I'll have to construct this for your lordship. For example, page 2 of the case diary, the UD case, requisition of the magistrate for inquiry. Just kindly see requisition
Sharma,
For inquest.
can you tell us at what time the inquest Panchnama was drawn?
Yes, we'll just tell you that. That also we have in a timeline. 20 to 40 PM.
4:20,
To
4:40 PM. And now the record reveals the report which we have in our hand that UD was registered after the inquest Panchnama, after the postmortem.
That was made before the judicial magistrate to carry out the inquest mentions.
Mentions the UD.
But that's page number 2 of the case diary.
That's what we were going to point out.
Now, Mr. Solicitor General,
Yes,
has the CBI collected the record which is available to them?
yes,
They have collected it?
we have collected.
Is any officer present today?
Yes,
Who is it?
the Joint Director, CBI, my lord.
Ma'am, you have understood our question. Come to page 12 of your report which has been tendered today. Read para 10 in your mind, Page 12. Tell us, is this record correct? Is this correct?
Yes, sir. It's
Correct.
based on the documents given to us by the Kolkata.
Why are they showing us some different time? Which is the document they are referring to?
Sir,
Case diary, I have it with me.
Case diary.
sir, this is based on the GD entries and the documents given to us by the
Correct.
Kolkata police.
But look at the time which you have stated.
Sir. It's there, sir, in the GD entries, sir.
Can you
I have
show
a
us?
copy of it.
Can you show us?
Yes, sir.
I'll,
Xerox copy, yes.
I'll just put a mark in, my lord, passing.
They are mentioning the GD of what happened in the entire day, my lords. If your lordship look at page 2, my lords. Page 2, it says the application made to the magistrate with the GD and where the UD entry is already mentioned.
You may be right, Mr. Sibal. This is something which even the criminal procedure code doesn't prescribe.
Yes, exactly.
The entire procedure
Yeah.
which has been
Your
followed by your police,
Yes.
police of the state, it is something which at least I have not come across
Yes.
in 30 years of my.
I know. Right. I appreciate it. But Manoj, the facts must be before your lordships. Manoj. That's the important thing, the real
The
fact.
first thing we want to confirm
Yes.
is it true that the UD case was registered at 23:30 hours and that the postmortem and everything preceded the registration of the UD?
No, Manoj.
We'll have to answer.
Yes, please, Manoj.
Second question to
Yeah.
you,
But
Mr.
that's
Sibal.
the second question.
Who is this assistant superintendent non-medical? Who is this person?
Superintendent.
Is this assistant superintendent a male or a female?
I believe it's a female, but I just make sure. Female.
Her conduct is also very, very doubtful. Why did she act in this manner?